About to head to the meet. This Camaro SS. Mustang, Shelby GT500. Y'all probably can't hear me, but about to head to the meet now. I'm in a car group. Yeah, Larry changed my stuff. I'm in a car group with fast cars. I'm probably the slowest one, but you know, it's still nice to be in it. So y'all stay tuned with the video, and I'll catch y'all at the car meet. You can let them probably get long now if you want. Just got to the car meet. It just started, so it's a lot of cars here, but it's not that many as I expected right now, but it will be though. But start with the Hellcat. This is a Hellcat, right? SRT, yep, Hellcat. So Hellcat, I'm about to make my my hood black just like this, but Hellcat. Mustang. BMW, I think this is the M. Yeah, this is the M. Is it the M? Let me see. Yeah, I don't know what M is. Let me see. It's like a M, like 3 or 4. Oh, never mind. It's not. It got an M symbol on it though. What the heck? Mustang 5.0. Larry. Oh, it's freezing. Let's go around, like in the back. I'll follow you. Mustang, Honda. Bro, I am freezing. I'm shaking. Huh? I like how low this is. Right here. I like this a lot. They lowered it like crazy. I like it a lot. You see these tips right here? Larry. These are the tips I want right here, like the blue tips ish. Yeah. STI, I like this. I want that blue tip so bad. I don't know. Huh? With this one? I do like this one a lot actually. Huh? Oh yeah, damn. I saw this on somebody. I got him on Snap. I saw it on his story. Let's go around, walk around there. Come on, baby. Look at this. This is at my meet too. This is what I was telling you about. Right here. Camaro. I like them wheels on there. Yeah, I like them wheels. Shot the front part of it. SCI. I like this blue though. I really like this blue a lot. And Larry, you like it too? I like this a lot too. Go over. Huh? Yeah, you better. Yeah. Huh? Come on. This blue one sick, I ain't gonna lie. I like this blue a lot, bro. And it's low. Ooh, that's cool. You got red seats in there too. The red seats. I think they red seats. No? Yeah, they red. Yup. I really like this one. I like that. I like these Hondas. These Hondas coming up. You about to get in the car? Huh? Nah, this the real 10, the big boys. ZL1. I know. Shelby. They died, but my stuff. That's
Dude, I don't blame you. I don't even recognize
supposed to be right here. This is good. He's so scared. All these cars. Engine, man. Nice. Little Cooper vet. Wow, that's cool. How do you open it? I think he like did more stuff to the seats. I was talking to this dude earlier. Yo. Man, you thick. You heard me? You thick. There's a lot of cars here. A lot of nice cars. Cool time. Cool time with a Limitless group for the first time. Just joined them. Look them on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? This one right here. Yes, sir. That boy's loud. Got a parachute on there. Goodness. Got them hair. Maybe who's Record these cars. Record these cars. Get the cars. Nice little company. I got a lot of footage already, so I'm gonna just get back to y'all when we go on a cruise. So it's gonna be a little dark. I'm using my GoPro, so you probably can't see much, but as I can. So y'all stay tuned.
I've been fucking with new niggas, new bitches now. They plotting on me. And I play like I don't know, but really I know most these niggas ain't rocking with. Bitch, I'm still getting old money spent on my show money. It was nothing to me.